Welcome to another walk around video with Subaru of Saskatoon. Today we're looking at a Venetian Red 2017 Outback 2.5 Limited. It is equipped with a Subaru symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive and a boxer engine that produces 175 horsepower. It has seating capacity for 5 passengers and sits on 18-inch rims. On the inside of the door, we have power locks, windows, mirror controls, and memory seating. For the seating, we have black leather and equipped with a sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have our Bluetooth and radio controls, and on the right side, we have access to adaptive cruise control and heated steering wheel. The climate controls are located under the 7-inch infotainment system and heated seats down in the center console. In the rear, we have 60-40 split seats with heated outboard seats. Thanks for watching another review here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Be sure to come by and check out the rest of the options equipped on this great Outback.